The United Kingdom is famous for its rich and diverse cuisine, and its desserts are no exception. From warm, comforting puddings to light, airy trifles, there is something for every taste bud. Today, we will be taking a closer look at 10 of the most popular UK desserts, including their ingredients and how they are prepared. Lemon posset. Lemon posset is a creamy dessert that is made with only 3 ingredients: double cream, castor sugar, and lemon juice. The cream and sugar are heated in a saucepan until boiling, and then the lemon juice is added to the mixture. After cooling, the posset is chilled in the refrigerator until it is set. It is usually served chilled, with a dollop of whipped cream or fresh berries on top. Spotted dick. Spotted dick is a traditional British steamed pudding made with suet, flour, sugar, and currants. The ingredients are mixed together and steamed in a pudding basin until the pudding is cooked through. It is usually served hot, with custard or cream poured over the top. Rhubarb crumble. Rhubarb crumble is a delicious dessert made with tangy rhubarb and a crumbly topping of flour, sugar, and butter. The rhubarb is stewed until tender, and then it is topped with the crumble mixture. The crumble is baked in the oven until it is golden brown and crispy. It is usually served warm, with custard or ice cream. Treacle tart. Treacle tart is a sweet dessert made with golden syrup, breadcrumbs, lemon zest, and pastry. The golden syrup mixture is poured into a pastry case, and then it is baked in the oven until the filling is set. It is usually served warm, with cream or ice cream. Bread pudding. Bread pudding is a comforting dessert made with sliced bread, milk, eggs, sugar, and dried fruit. The ingredients are mixed together and baked in the oven until the pudding is cooked through. It is usually served warm, with custard or cream. Trifle. Trifle is a classic British dessert made with layers of sponge cake, fruit, jelly, custard, and whipped cream. The layers are arranged in a glass bowl, and then it is chilled in the refrigerator until it is set. It is usually served cold, with a cherry or strawberry on top. Eton Mess. Eton Mess is a delicious dessert made with crushed meringues, whipped cream, and fresh berries. The ingredients are mixed together and served in a glass, or it can be layered in a glass bowl like a trifle. It is usually served cold, with extra berries on top. Banoffee pie. Banoffee pie is a sweet dessert made with a digestive biscuit crust, toffee filling, sliced bananas, and whipped cream. The biscuit crust is filled with the toffee mixture and bananas, and then it is topped with whipped cream. It is usually served cold, with grated chocolate on top. Apple crumble. Apple crumble is a classic dessert made with baked apples and a crumble topping of flour, sugar, and butter. The apples are baked until they are tender, and then the crumble mixture is added on top. It is usually served warm, with custard or ice cream. Sticky toffee pudding. Sticky toffee pudding is a classic British dessert that is beloved for its rich, gooey texture and sweet, caramel flavor. It is a comforting and indulgent treat that is perfect for colder months or as a special treat anytime. So these are top 10 UK desserts. Which one you like the most? Please let us know in comments.